I have a Kohler 6.5S that will not stay running after I release the start button.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Kohler tool or machine? How old is it?
It is a 1998. The rotor winding was open, so I sent it out for repair, but the generator still will not stay running after the start button is released.
How long has this been going on with your Kohler generator? What have you tried so far?
Rotor circuit board, main circuit board, new rotor winding.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. This is most likely due to the fact that the generator is not producing any electricity. Connect a voltmeter to the output leads of the genset, then press and hold the start button to keep the engine running for a few seconds. How much voltage is being produced?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.